Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, pianist, composer, piano and composition teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link below in the description, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel in case you are interested in original music and covers. Going back to the Piano Lessons to Go channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share also with your friends if there is anybody that is interested in piano music. Let me know also about yourself when you started studying, your experience. Now time to go to our lesson. Welcome to the fifth lesson regarding the scales from a practical point of view. Today I'm going to explain and play for you the A flat major. If you have watched the previous four lessons, where I've explained the standard fingering scales, the F major and B major, and then the F sharp and C sharp major scales, you should know which one is my idea regarding the scales, how I am treating them, which one is the guideline of my lessons. But anyways, today we are talking about A flat major scale. It is the scale and key signature featuring four flats. We have B flat, E flat, A flat and D flat. On the circle of fifths we are exactly straight after the last one that I explained in the last lesson, because in the last lesson I've explained F sharp and C sharp are equal D flat, and I also connected them to the B major, explaining which one is the principle that is connecting very well these three scales, using the same identical fingering, but obviously shifting just one note. Now today it's time to go to the A flat. Instead of going now anti-clockwise backwards from the F, I want to proceed in this way. So today A flat, and why am I choosing A flat? After many years of experience teaching and playing the scales, I have discovered something that I find fantastic. Nobody ever explained this scale to me in the way I'm going to explain it to you. I discovered just really observing my fingers. It sounds a little bit unusual to many of you that probably have some experience already studying. Maybe you're watching this video just for curiosity. But I can declare that the A flat major scale is using the same identical fingering, pay attention, the same identical fingering used by the C major scale and by all the standard fingering scales. It's only about now changing the notes according to the key signature, and it will be exactly like playing C major. Pay attention 1 second. So first of all, in A flat major we have, as I mentioned, B flat, E flat, A flat and D flat. These are the four black keys. Yeah, we have one less than the ones that I explained in the last two lessons. Now, pay attention 1 second. C major is this, yeah? Imagine that we don't start from the little finger, that we start from here. We do. Imagine, this is the start imagine of the second octave, yeah? C major is this. Look now. We start from here now, from the beginning of the second octave. You do. Then you carry on. Imagine that we want to extend, yeah? We are going to the third octave, okay? This is C major, yeah? Now look what I do. If I have to use, instead of D and E, if I have to use D flat and D flat, look what I do. Instead of going here, I do. Then, instead of using A and B, I have to use A flat and B flat. And if I start exactly from A flat, look what happened. I know that is not clear at all to you, but I'm going to write the notes and the fingers of C major, and I'm going to write down the notes and the fingers of A flat major, shifting obviously everything, and you will understand when I will write, and you will understand what I mean. Now, these are the notes of C major, notes and fingers, obviously, of the C major scale, yeah? So we write. Don't worry, I'm not writing the notes. Yeah, I'm writing simply the names and the fingers. So I do. This is the right hand of C major. And I do C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. I want to leave a little bit of extra space then, because I will write down the notes that I need to complete the A flat. D, E, F, G, A. It's okay. For the right hand we do always 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here I am leaving empty because obviously if you end use the fifth, if you carry on use the thumb, yeah? Indeed, imagine that you carry on, I write again 1, that could be instead of 5, but doesn't matter. Now I want to write down the notes of A flat major. Imagine that I obviously start from here, yeah? The notes obviously will be A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat again, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G and A flat. Okay? Look what is happening here. The fingering is, indeed, I said, let's look at the hand. The fingering is exactly 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look which fantastic coincidence. 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3. Same as these ones. C, D and D, C, D flat and E. F, G, A. Look, F, G, A and B. F, G, A and B flat, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fingering is exactly identical. I'm writing down also the left hand now, notes and fingers. I'm writing the left hand notes of C major. And I want to show you how they are identical to the ones of the ones of the A flat major identical to the ones of the C major. So we have L, H. We have again obviously these notes. I'm not going to write anymore the notes. They are 5, you start from the little finger, yeah, in C major. Then you do 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Then you have 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. When it comes to A flat major, if this is C, D, so C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and so on. When it comes to A flat major, the left hand will be. Let's start anyways, let me write all of them anyways. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. They will be starting anyways from this one, yeah, okay? On the left. 3, 2, 1. Then 4, 3, 2, 1. Look. 3, 2, 1. They will be A flat, B flat, C, A flat, B flat, C, C. Then will be D flat. We have 4, 3, 2, 1. D flat, E flat, F, and G. And then so on. We will start from A flat, 3, 2, 1, B flat, C. So the fantastic coincidence is that these two scales are using the same identical fingering, obviously shifted. This is something that I explained also talking about the B major, the F sharp major, the C sharp major equal D flat major. With A flat major we are facing a fantastic example of scale that is using the same identical fingering of the C major, G major, D major, A major and E major, but obviously starting from the A flat and starting from anyways the same identical finger that would have the A in the C major scale, third finger. Now obviously let's simply show in a very practical way the scale, one octave with the right hand, one octave with the left, one octave hands together, then 2 octaves right hand, 2 octaves left hand, 2 octaves hands together slow and 2 octaves hands together fast, same as I did with all the other ones. This one was a simple introduction to explain what I mean. It's really likely that in every single scales book you will read that you start from second and third, but they are temporary fingers. They are needed just to start, because obviously you don't need at the very beginning to 3 and 4. You will realize that it's needed 3 and 4 just after the end of the first octave. So I'm using anyways 3 and 4 because in these lessons I want to simply show you the real identity of the patterns used for these scales. So I use 3 and 4 instead of 2 and 3. Right hand, 1 octave slow. Left hand. Hands together, 1 octave. Right hand, 2 octaves. Left hand, 2 octaves. Hands together, 2 octaves. Slow. At the end you have noticed that I've used the second with the left hand. It's just needed to avoid to take the third to simplify, yeah? Now 2 octaves hands together fast. And now obviously I use the second because it would definitely help, and this is the final stage of the development of the A flat major scale. I want to spend just a few words regarding the matching points, because also A flat major, same as all the standard fingering scales, has matching points. Since it's using the same identical fingering, it is obvious that there are matching points. The first matching point is obviously the first one, even though, as you know, you can start from the second, but officially is 3 and 3. This is the official finger on the A flat you will discover when playing not only 2 octaves but 3, 4 octaves, okay? So, matching point on the first, officially I should say. Then, on the third note, we have thumb and thumb. Then, pay attention, on the fifth note. And again, so first, third, and fifth. The matching points are on first note, on third note, first note where we have 3 and 3, on third note where we have thumb and thumb, and fifth note where we have 3 and 3. That's all I wanted to clarify regarding the matching points. So I hope that my explanation was interesting, was clear for you. Really pay attention to what I've told you at the very beginning. I hope you understood. I know that I'm writing with a pencil. I'm quite old style when it comes to explanations, and I like to write with a pencil. But I think, and I really hope that it was all clear to you. Let's look again once again at what I said, because it's quite fascinating, I think, for me. You see what I meant? So 3 and 3, 4 and 4. Why? A flat, B flat, A with the third, A flat with the third. B with the fourth, B flat with the fourth. Then C with the thumb, C with the thumb. D with the second, D flat with the second. E with the third, E flat with the third. F with the thumb, F with the thumb. G with the second, G with the second. A with the third, A flat with the third. And we are back to the very beginning. And on the left side, what happened? We have A played by the third in C major, A flat played by the third, B played by the second, B flat played by the second, C played by the thumb, C played by the thumb, D played by the fourth, D flat played by the fourth, E played by the third, E flat played by the third, F by the second, F by the second, G by the thumb, G by the thumb, A by the third, A flat by the third. And this is the fantastic, exciting coincidence that I noticed analyzing these two scales. Okay? So it seems that until now we have really used almost just one fingering, the C major standard fingering. So anyways, if you found interesting my explanation, my idea, my interpretation of this A flat major scale, let me know by commenting. I'm glad that many people are appreciating my videos. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. All the best.